guys, it's Red Steve, and I'm back. Also, it's snowing outside, and I am sick. Just real quick before I show you guys that. So there's this girl that I am with right now. Her name's Elisa, and her mom says that I shouldn't be with her at the moment. And she keeps saying that I'm underage to be with her. We're both 14. She even said herself that she started dating when she was 11. So I don't understand why. Because she keeps saying it's because of all the lying, the sneaking around. It stuns me, but actually, you see, the thing is, we haven't actually been doing that. We don't do that type of shit. No, we do not. And for proof, for my friend reviewed tats on the 360 real quick. I have to get out of my bed. God, I haven't walked in like a few hours. I don't like it. Holy shit, it's snowy. Oh. Bruh. Well, damn. Oh, meth. Okay. So, yeah. There's been a lot of shit lately. YouTube's probably gonna hate me for this. But legit though, I mean like, if I'll be really happy if I don't think that's the right I'm looking for. If let me think, what's the word? That I believe for everyone. Damn, I can't even remember what I was about to say. Oof. Like, really though, I just don't quite understand what's the problem. Because, I mean, like, she keeps saying that I've been going with her and, like, sneaking around and doing shit that I shouldn't be doing. Actually, no, I have not, since, first of all, you've been, like, for everyone on here, I just need to say this is actually true facts. Her mother has been there every time whenever I hang out with her, so we couldn't do anything, even if we wanted to, which we can't since we're underage. But, yeah, like, legit. Also, if you guys are wondering why am I looking away from the camera, that's probably because I'm kind of messing around on, like, Minecraft and stuff. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But I'll see you guys in the video. It's your boy Red, and I'm out.